Hey guys, welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkoe. Today I'll be teaching you how to milk a cow. It's actually quite easy. And, oh my god, why am I saying quite easy? Oh, okay, also please like and subscribe. It helps the YouTube algorithm. Also makes me happy. Okay, so I am just going to spawn a cow because I don't want to look for one. They might be a lot of more, they're going to be super easy to find, but I'm pretty sure you guys just want to know how to do it. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is just spawn a cow, but there's a bunch of cows over there. Then you're going to need a bucket. Don't hit the cow. Wait for the milk bar to show up. Tap it. Depends how many buckets you have, but you can always milk them. And see, look, I have milk. Also, a fact about milk is if a witch throws a potion at you, and if you have milk, it will make all the sickness go away. Isn't that pretty cool? I don't know if it's true in life, though. That'd be really cool if it was. There would be no death if you had milk. Well, bye, guys. I hope this video helped.